Welcome back to House of Foon. On today's episode, we rebuild our mighty 6G74 block in preparation for all the boosts. And by we, I mean Cameron, because I'm just a welder. So sit back and enjoy 13 odd minutes of barra beating goodness. Right here is the reason why we got this engine for free. It has two rusty bores, and some of the other bores aren't exactly in great shape either. Aww. Licky boy. To clean up the bores on the block, we borrowed a mate's cylinder honing tool. By the time we were finished, we ended up using about half of the material off the honing stones. I'm not sure if that's indicative of how much we needed to clean the bores up, or if that's pretty standard. If you're a super duper master engine builder, feel free to let us know in the comments.
Don't try this at home, kids.
To surface the block, we used a state-of-the-art sharpening stone. The good thing with the sharpening stone is that it easily shows you where the low spots are so that you can pay more attention in those areas.
You could see like it was very close quarters. That was the other thing. Oh.
And what, if you get to Ireland and we have a centre top on back at home of people.
Not really. I think like Irish culture and Aussie culture are too similar, I think. So it all kind of felt familiar. It wasn't like when I've been back to Malaysia with Dad.
It'll do.
Oh wow.
Now that everything in the bottom end has been cleaned and dodgily dodged up, we applied way too much assembly loop and started putting the bottom end back together. Unfortunately, whilst being preoccupied with my BMW in the background, I forgot to film any of the other pistons going in, but it's basically just a rinse and repeat anyways. If you're an engine builder that has just been traumatized by what you've just seen, well, too bad, cause we're just gonna cross our fingers, shove a bucket load of boost into it, and send it. If you've made it this far, and enjoyed the video, it'd be awesome if you could give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, consider subscribing. Until next time, 6Gs are better than barras.
Some pistons were born, made for fucking boost. Oh, what was the saying? A great cook can come from anywhere. Yeah, anyone can cook.
Yep.
And now is probably the best time in history for anyone to be anything they want to be. How's this for fucking optimal timing? Scotty from Street Machine started building slapping together a barrow on Friday. And he was doing this. And I'm like, I'll give that a try. Since
Just soapy water?
yeah, just soapy water since my thingo's broken. I blew out all my bloody brake clean all through my car. I'm like, no, I'll give that a go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good bore. That's a real good bore. At least we've got one good cylinder. Because 1 out of 6 ain't bad.
Get in there nice and deep, like.
Lubid hole.